Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Dan with Two Dudes. So today I want to talk a little bit about PPC, when to pull your PPC reports and why you're going to be pulling those. All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
What is PPC? Pay-per-click. Pay-per-click is Amazon's ad campaign management. This essentially allows you to run ads to attract new buyers, potential buyers, for your products. Now remember, you can't run your PPC campaigns until you get the buy box, which we're going to talk about in another video, and we've talked about it a little bit before. But today I want to kind of focus around when to pull your ad reports and why these ad reports are, so critical. So ad reports are like spreadsheets that Amazon allows you to generate, and you can do it as often as you want. It really doesn't matter, and it gives you statistics and analytics based around what ad campaigns you're running. This is extremely important if you're starting off with an automatic campaign. An automatic campaign is usually what we recommend our students to start off with, or anyone for that matter, because what it does is it allows Amazon to basically cast a wide net and see what potential customers or customers are searching to find you. Like if you're selling a t-shirt on Amazon and they search for a t-shirt and you come up, or a certain type of t-shirt or a certain style and design or whatever keywords you have put into your listing, it'll show up in that ad report. And what Amazon will do with the automatic campaign is see what the most popular keywords are and bid those for you. You can blow through daily budget very quickly with an automatic campaign, so we usually recommend that our students don't stay on an automatic campaign for too long, maybe a week, 10 days, 14 at the most. Once you switch to manual, or if you're keeping an automatic and a manual at the same time, you'll get a chance to see how these different keywords are performing, what you're spending your money on, what you should be spending your money on, how much you should be bidding on each keyword, and that keyword being something like like for t-shirt, it could be t-shirt, it could be gray t-shirt, it could be blue t-shirt, it could be a certain type of t-shirt like a cotton t-shirt or whatever. Whatever keywords you decide to use or you populate within your listing or that pay-per-click campaign, this allows you to remain competitive and relevant. So the last thing you want to do is overspend for a keyword. So what it costs today will not necessarily mean tomorrow. So if you're bidding 50 cents to win an ad war, to be the one that that Amazon shows your ad, if it's 50 cents today and next week it's 25 cents, you want to make sure that you always fine-tune these campaigns so you're not overspending or underspending. You got to make sure that your keywords are performing, but you also have to make sure that you're spending enough for those keywords. You don't want to overspend. So remember, if everybody else is bidding 25 cents and you're bidding 50 cents, you're going to bid 50 cents all the time. You're not going to bid 26 cents to win the war. It's not anything up to 50, it's 50 and always 50. So if a keyword is optimized at 50 cents right now and you're winning consistently, but tomorrow or next week it drops to 25 cents, you want to adjust down so you're spending less and less, or sometimes you might want to spend more to win that particular keyword bid ad. Just understand that when you start running pay-per-click campaigns, that you start off with an automatic for like a week or two. From that automatic campaign, put it into a manual campaign, add your products into that campaign, and then set your keyword pricing and adjust it accordingly. Those ad reports will tell you everything you need to know about how you're performing and how you should perform. So something to keep in mind, something you guys should definitely do frequently, even if you're a veteran seller, you've been selling all the time. We usually recommend once or twice a week that you pull down these ad reports so you can make sure that your keywords are consistent and relevant and you're spending as little money as possible to achieve the best result. And that's what we're all about. We're all about spending a little money, and gaining a lot of money. That's essentially what e-commerce is meant for, right? Until next time, like we always say, like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, join the Amazon Domination Crew group on Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line. We're always here to help you guys out, regardless if you're a student or not. This is what we're here for. We're real, genuine people. We're honest people, and we want to make sure that you make a killing just like we do. So, until next time, guys. Peace.